Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my QuarsiplrhubReview video. The world first A to Z, start to finish, ultimate platform to succeed with PLR. This PLR business in a box solution shows the ins and outs and gives a quick and easy way to succeed online without writing a single word, without coding and design. Free domain, free hosting on cloud for both Windows and Mac. Access world's top one-click PLR site. Profit from 1,000 plus PLRs that span over 50 plus niches. Sell with your own logo to build brand authority. Add your own PLR in any niche anytime. Seamless e-commerce management to sell your PLRs. Keep 100% of the profits. Easy to use platform with step-by-step tutorials. Get started immediately regardless of your experience. Never seen before. Creative approach to PLR. Profit 30-day money back guarantee. And it only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, activate. Set up your account according to the tutorials and strategies inside the members area. Step 2, launch. Initiate traffic avalanche from the 3 automated traffic apps, only for fast action takers. Step 3, get paid. Sit back, watch the sales come in, and keep 100% of the sales. So, friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.